What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting with a very high energy. So as you can see, my hair is really different from the last video that you have seen. But basically, during this whole quarantine since March, January, February, March, yes, March, your girl have been experimenting with her hair and she have done a lot of crazy stuff. So basically, I did bleach my hair with my mom's help. And I haven't even posted a video about it because, I don't know, I guess I got too lazy and I fell back into my couch. Wait, hold on. Your girl is looking a little rough right now. Before we get started in this video, why don't I get ready for you guys? Because I cannot serve you guys with this look, you know. I might as well get ready because I don't film that much. Here's the montage.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
Alright, now we're back and looking a lot more better than earlier. So basically, we are going to be talking about the bleaching process of my hair. It only actually took me one session to do it, but it took a lot more hours than you could have imagined what a normal hair session would be. For mine, it took the whole process 6 hours to actually bleach my hair. So let's get on to that. So you're gonna see on this clip over here that so basically we took a really thin layer of hair, just like a paper light thin, and we soaked them with a lot of bleach solution that we have. As for the solution, we actually have 3/4 40 volume developer and 1/4 10 volume developer because I was so scared that I don't want an entire strength like the 40 volume developer to go straight into my hair with the bleach. And the product that I use is the L'Oreal Blue Bleach. That's the one that I use as for the bleach. And once we mix that and all that, we put it on my hair. We actually did the back layer first, as you guys would see in the video, because after we saw that it's already even, we washed it because I was so scared that if I would leave it more than 2 hours soaking, it would ended up falling apart because the first hour that we had one hair soaked with bleach, we opened it up and we saw that there are some banding. So we actually ended up putting more bleach in it to re-soak it, and we cannot let our bleach dry because girl, once it's dry, it's gonna stop working. Yeah, so that's what we did. And after that, we washed the back part and we already started working on the left side, my left side. After working on my left side, we then moved on to the right side, but that time I'm already having a lot of headache and the cold because of smelling all the chemicals of the bleach and everything. It smells so bad, you guys. I wasn't prepared about the scent because I would normally watch a lot of videos about them doing their hair, but I didn't realize that that's how bad it was. But yeah, so yeah, after that, I realized that I had to wait 1.5 hours, but I couldn't handle the pain anymore. So I had to make the dumb decision to wash my hair after leaving the bleach on this side for 1 hour, and this one had it on for 1.5 hours. I think it was a good decision though because I had a little bit of breakage here on the thin hairs, but it's not really that bad. But if only I have waited a little bit of 30 minutes or so, maybe the hair would be even, because on the next few videos that you guys are seeing there, my hair wasn't even after I washed it. Like the left side is lighter than the right side when it was dried. So basically, that's what kind of happened, and that's how we achieved bleaching my hair in one session and got into, I think, a level 9. It's around level 9 and some level 10s and some level 8 on my right side. But yeah, that's how I achieved it. I actually got it from this video over here. His channel is really good about it, and basically I followed his technique. That's what happened. Just a tip for you guys is that if you had your hair treated already, doing this bleaching process may be a little bit more harsh for your hair, because mine was pretty much virgin up until around here, probably because I had it colored dark brown with like a box dye from drugstore, and I didn't need to do it because it didn't change. It just damaged my hair and made it dried. But basically, if you guys, again, don't have a virgin hair and don't have the darkest hair that I have, like an Asian dark hair, cannot really recommend the process that he did. It's really kind of strong, actually. And imagine, I didn't left the backside soaking on bleach and finish the front because I was so scared that my hair was starting to fall out. The time that I knew it was ready was when I looked at both sides. Well, my mom looked at both sides of my back, and they're both even. So that's when we decided that it's okay to wash it and yeah, not leave it anymore. Also, we didn't touch my roots. I think I left like 1.5 inches on my roots because we were so scared that it would fall off. Also, during our video, I think this is way too late for me, but during our video, as you guys would have seen, is that my mom was trying to do a V shape like that on each hair of the bleach, because I told her I wanted to do something like a balayage, but it ended up not working out because my mom's still not a pro about doing hair. So I ended up actually bleaching the whole thing afterwards, but it's gonna be for the next video because this is probably gonna take a while. Anyways, now that I've said my advice, if ever you want to try this technique and you do have a virgin hair and a bit of a lighter hair than this black hair over here, I'll try to probably use not 40 volume developer, but try to use 20 or 30, because 20 and 30 are really strong already, and 40, I didn't even went for 100% 40 volume developer. Right? Remember, I did mix a 1/4 of 10 volume developer, and it's a ratio of 1:1 with bleach and developer. So yeah, for example, if you're using 100 grams of bleach, then you're gonna end up using 100 grams of developer, because I do have like the measurement thing that I use. So yeah, after that, I then decided to dye my hair purple. But you know, I was so happy of how my hair turned out, of how light it was, and I'm like, oh yes, girl, I'm a pro. So I decided to actually mix the bleach without any information on how the bleach works. So I used this dye over here. I didn't read if I should use a 1:1 ratio with a developer or a conditioner when you're mixing the dye. So what I did is that I used half of the dye, half of that, and then I poured twice as much of the developer, and I applied it on my hair without any doubt and anything. And by the time that I was at the root or almost done, is that when I realized, oh my gosh, it's so light, I don't think it's gonna show up. So I used the leftover of the dye, like the thing, like without any mixture, and decided to put it on the roots. Like for some dumb reason, I put it on the roots. That's why you're gonna see. Let's play the video on how I did it.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living.
And yeah, that's what I did. That's how dumb I was. I was so confident about my skills and everything, but I forgot it was my mom who bleached my hair. But anyway, so that's what I did. And because of that, I ended up having a not so even hair color. And my friends thought that, oh, I like your pink hair and all that. And I accepted all the compliments. I didn't tell them what actually happened, that it was a purple dye. It was supposed to look purple. But anyways, after that, I did some Instagram video, got a lot of compliments about my hair, and we did even do a TikTok video about it. And I think that's gonna be it for this video. I hope that you guys got some information about it. I hope that you did enjoy watching me struggle. But this is my hair now. This is what it looks like. And the texture, it's not so different from my old hair. It's just that at the end, it's a little bit drier now. I did cut my hair and it was a disaster. There's gonna be another video coming about that, so make sure that if you guys are interested about it, you enjoyed watching this video, subscribe on my channel, because girl, every week, I promise, every week there's gonna be a hair video about it. So yeah, my hair isn't gonna stop being here. She's gonna grow and she's gonna have different colors again. I only decided to do a gray hair now after doing a pink hair because I thought I was going back to work, but they ended up terminating my whole thing. So now I'm stuck at home, so I'm probably gonna do more hair videos. That is it for the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. Let me know what you think about this video. Comment anything that you think of right now. Like, do you like my look? Do you like this video? Is there anything that you want me to try out when editing a video? Girl, I'm open with anything. So go ahead and comment what you think about this video down below. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Peace.